Hey guys, this is Bill from Ford Office Technologies. I'm here with your weekly tech tip. One of the main issues that we have in the field is actually lines on the copies. Now there's many causes of this, and of course always call your technician and get his feedback, but a lot of times it's a cleaning issue. What will happen is you'll get a small mark on the slick glass. What this causes is your prints are perfectly fine, but whenever you use the document feeder, you'll see a line on your copies. This cleaning issue can be resolved basically by cleaning it with alcohol, cleaning it with Windex. None of that hurts, but I'm going to show you something I learned years ago that works very well. Once you run it across a few times, your line should be gone. Thank you very much. This is your weekly tech tip.